Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. All right, I'm gonna answer the question. Is software developers going to be replaced by AI? And the answer is yes and no. So, I think AI is just a quick tool to get your solution done. It's just a faster way to getting the job done. So it's just a faster Google search or a faster Stack Overflow search or GitHub search, right? It's no different than going to Google or Stack Overflow and getting a solution from the repositories, right? It gets it done fast. And that's good. That means with AI, we have faster development now. And so is it going to replace computer? Is it going to might replace some junior positions and some intermediate positions, intermediate developers. But it's not going to really replace computer programmers or developers. Developers is you have to think on what you're going to do. It is a strategy. It is the thinking of getting the solution done. You're problem solving. And AI allows you to problem solve faster. That's the purpose of it. In a way, it will enhance a developer's career or life, right? They'll get things done much faster, and they'll get the things done. Yeah, it will get the things done much faster. It will expedite the development process, meaning that will lead to more innovation. And when it leads to more innovation, it's going to lead to more jobs. I think AI is going to provide more jobs, and AI is going to be a skill in the future, like how you know Java or Python, or you know a framework in like a web framework like Rails or Spring. It's going to be like that. It's going to be an essential tool, you know, for development. That's it. Things are changing right now. The layoffs are happening at the big companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, all the FANG and MANG companies that it's happening in, right? I'm just gonna go over here. It's a beautiful day. You can see the water right over here. All right, so it is not going to replace any developers, and I'm just enjoying the beautiful day here at the beach. Woohoo! All right, and that's my thoughts on if AI is going to replace programmers. No, it's going to replace the programmers who template everything and just glue and connect the APIs. Yes, that AI is going to replace that, but it's not going to replace the thinking of the programmer and the innovation in the creation of programming. Because when you're a developer, you are thinking of creative solutions on how to get things done. It's an artist, and yes, AI can generate art, but but it's not going to replace artists, because art is different. Art comes from like the soul and all that. It's actually more of a human feel. Yes, AI can create an image faster than a human now, but it can't think like a human. It cannot think, and also it's not going to replace, because the programmers have to interact with the business, and the business when the business gives the requirements to the developer, they're not precise on what they want. You know, they're not exactly. They don't give the exact details of the software requirements, and that requires human-to-human interaction. So programmers interacting with the business and other teams in the organization, which AI can't do. And that's my opinion on if AI is going to replace developers or programmers. And I think it's going to change. It's going to be different. It's a yes and no, but mostly a no. All right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Kevin Tech Adventure.